Okay, just a quick update on the Uniden Madison. As you may recall, I was having some issues with the dimmer switch here not working. So basically, I've done some research, and in this section right here, there are components that are basically barred off, and there's a big resistor that's in this circuit board that controls the dimmer switch, and it really gets hot, and it takes out the components on that circuit board. This circuit board is right here. So what I need to do now is I need to gain access to this circuit board here. So basically 4 screws, and if you can see that, I'll zoom in. I'll get a good shot here first. We'll zoom in. You may see some discoloration of the board there. So I'm going to pull it out and see what the components look like on the other side. There you have it, folks. The circuit board and the crispy, grilled, pink resistor has really cooked all these components here. So basically what I need to do is source these parts. I'm not exactly sure what they are. Obviously the colors of the resistor is here, and that Zener diode. I guess it's a basic Zener diode there. But these 2 resistors here, figure out what value they are, and I'll figure out what the value of that resistor is, transistor is. Get it in shot, you can't see here. So basically the repair of this, once I get the components, is to take this main resistor right here, this big juicy pink one here, that has to go on the opposite side of the board, and in the proper position, of course, and kept off the board as far as possible. So I guess I'll have to put some sleeves on it to protect the legs of the component when I get it, the resistor, and that way it'll be on this side, and it'll be able to get air and be able to stay cool, whereas in here, in the position where it was, it's basically blocked in, and it was just like an oven. So that's going to be a little repair that I think I can handle. So just a matter of sourcing the parts and getting this done. It's going to take some time to get the parts, but I have a friend of mine that's going to tell me exactly what it is. I'm going to send him a photo. Snake Radio Customs told me just send him a snap, and he'll be able to tell me what I'm looking for, and then I can order the parts. So stay tuned, folks, for Uniden Madison dimmer switch repair, part 2 coming up. God knows when I get the parts. Thanks for watching.